Mastering the passive voice, negative and interrogative sentences in simple present tense. Hello, English learners. Today, we're delving deeper into the world of English grammar. We'll focus on passive voice, specifically, negative and interrogative sentences in the simple present tense. By the end of this video, you'll be able to form and use these types of sentences with confidence. So, let's get started. Before we jump into negative and interrogative sentences, let's first understand the passive voice in general. Remember, we use the passive voice when the focus is on the action, not who is doing it. For instance, the letter is written by Sarah. Here, the action of writing is emphasized, not Sarah. Now, let's move on to negative sentences in the passive voice. These sentences express a negative action that is done to the subject. In the simple present tense, we form these sentences using is not or are not with a past participle. For instance, the letter is not written by Sarah implies Sarah did not write the letter. Now, how do you form your own negative sentences in the passive voice? It's simple. Just follow this structure. Subject plus is, are plus not plus past participle plus, by plus agent. The agent, the doer of the action, is optional. Here are a few examples. The homework is not done. The dishes are not washed. Next, we have interrogative sentences in the passive voice. These sentences ask a question about what is done to the subject. We form these by putting is or are before the subject. For example, is the letter written by Sarah? Asks if Sarah wrote the letter. How about forming your own interrogative sentences in the passive voice? Here's the formula. Is, are plus subject plus past participle plus, by plus agent. Again, the agent is optional. Here are a few examples. Is the homework done? Are the dishes washed? And that's it for today. I hope you now understand how to use the passive voice in negative and interrogative sentences in the simple present tense. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these structures in your daily English conversation, and you'll master them in no time. Happy learning and see you in our next video.